whistle go.
Hello everyone, welcome to our review and unboxing of the Sky Viper drone. Let's get right into it. Please note, on the box it says the drone comes with a HD camera, but actually there is no HD camera inside the box. There is however a mount and port for a HD camera that you can buy separately. Full contents inside the box is the drone, remote, 2 spare blades, a charger, 4 landing legs and an English manual. Flying the drone is child's play. It's also really fast. Flight time is around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the speed setting. The drone can also do flip. Overall, you can fly the drone anywhere at any time. Thanks for watching, and here are some cinematic shots of the drone flying. Hope you enjoy.